watching Aha Namma channel.
In last class we have to see the unit chapter 1 playing with numbers. In the chapter we have to see replacement of the alpha numerals. We have to find out the instead of letters we have to find out the numbers. So here the same chapter 1 playing with numbers. Today we have to see about test of divisibility, that is the rule for the divisibility. 2, 3, 5, 9 and then 10. So continuously one by one we have to see the divisibility rule for 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. First divisibility rule we have to see divisibility by 2. So what is the rule for divisibility by 2? A number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. A number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. That number divisible by 2. A number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. That number divisible by 2. For example, I take 150. Here the number ends with 0. In this condition 0 is there. A number ends with the unit digit of the number is 0. So in the solution we have to write 150. So here what is the unit digit? Unit digit of 150 is 0. Unit digit of 150 is 0. Therefore 150 is divisible by 2. So already you know that the condition a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. A number ends with the unit digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. The unit digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. That number divisible by 2. Here the 150 is divisible by 0. Because of that, unit digit of 150 is 0. Therefore 150 is divisible by 2. Now we have to see the divisibility by 5. So here the student I confirmed you divisibility by 2, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 10. These three are in a same condition. We have to check the unit digit. So because of that you have to compare divisibility 2, divisibility 5, divisibility 10. And divisibility 3 and 9 are in the same method. So next I have to explain about divisibility by 5. Here a number ends with 0 or 5. A number ends with 0 or 5. So that number divisible by 5. A number ends with 0 or 5. That means the unit digit of a number is 0 or 5. Either 0 or 5. Because any one of the digit is present in a unit digit. For an example, already we mentioned 150. Here the unit digit is 0. It divisible by 5. And then 265. This one also divisible by 5. Just you have to check it. Here 265 I told divisibility by 5. So 5 5s are 25. Remaining 1 15. 3 5s are 15. So remainder 0. Now you agree with this. A number ends with 0 or 5. That number divisible by 5. So I have to show the another example. So here you have to verify it. 153, 265, and then 270, 183, and then 172. So I take 5 numbers. Here what are the number divisible by 5? Here the first number, the unit digit of this number is 3. So what is the condition? It may be 0 or 5. That is the condition. So here 3. So this one is not divisible by 5. And then here the number unit digit is ends with 5. So this is divisible by 5. Here a number ends with 0. Unit digit is 0. So this is divisible by 5. The unit digit of 183 is 3. So it is not divisible by 5. The unit digit of 172 is 2. It is 0 or 5. So because of that, this one is also not divisible by 5. So clearly the number ends with 0 or 5. That number divisible by 5. So now we see, children, divisibility by 10. So already we have to learn about divisibility 5 and divisibility 2. So now we move on to divisibility by 10. So here also we take it as the unit digit. A number ends with only 0. A number ends with only 0. That number divisible by 10. So for an example, I will take the same 150. So here the number ends with 0. So I check it in a solution. Here this 150 is divisible by 10. So here I have to check the unit digit. Unit digit of 150 is 0. Therefore 150 is divisible by 10. So just you check it. Yeah, 150 can be divisible by 10. 1 tens are 10, 10 tens are 100, 11 tens are 110, 15 tens are 150. The remainder become 0. So it's clearly you know that divisibility 10 is a number ends with, that is unit digit of a number is 0. That number is divisible by 10. So here you conclude a divisibility. We see that divisibility 2, 5, 10. So I conclude this three number. So the 2 in the sense unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 5 only 0 and 5. And then 10 it only ends with 0. So 0 is the common for this 3 divisibility rule. So any number, a number ends with 0, that number compulsory divisible by 2, 5 and 10. So for the great example 150. 150 is ends with 0, it divisible by 2 and divisible by 5 and divisibility by 10. So next we move on to divisibility rule 3. So now we say divisibility by 3. The rule of divisibility rule 3. So divisibility by 3. So what is the rule for divisibility? Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. The whole number is divisible by 3. So sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Whole number is divisible by 3. So I show by an example. So here I give two sums. One is 153 and another one is 163. 4. So 2 number is there. So first I have to check the first question, the solution. So what is the rule? Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. The whole number is divisible by 3. So 153 we have to add 1 plus 5 plus 3. So 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 3 9. Therefore 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore 153 is also divisible by 3. The same way I have to check the second question. 164. Solution. 164 equal to 1 plus 6 plus 4. So 1 plus 6 7 plus 4 11. So 11 is not divisible by 3. So 11 is not divisible by 3. Therefore 164 is not divisible by 3. So now we see divisibility rule 9. Divisibility by 9. The same condition for 3 we have to follow this 9 also. Sum of the digits is divisible by 9. The whole number is divisible by 9. Whole number is divisible by 9. How to take a 2 example? The first question 165. I will check. Solution. 165 which is equal to 1 plus 6 plus 5. So 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 5 12. So you see this 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18. So 12 is not divisible by 5. So 12 is not divisible by 9. Therefore 165 is also not divisible by 9. So next I have to check another example. Three 153. So the solution 153 1 plus 5 plus 3. So which is equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. You know that. So 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore 153 is divisible by 9. Okay student, today we have to see about the divisibility rule. Divisibility by 2, 5, 10 and then 3 and 9. So 2, 5, 10 are same method. 3 and 9 are in 2 are in a same method. So next class we discuss about the examples. Thank you.